This video shows how to set up the compiler toolchain in eSquare Studio 2022-01 or later. Sometimes errors related to the toolchain occur when building, for example after importing a project. In this case, setting the compiler version in the toolchain settings can solve the problem. The toolchain is set up in the Settings section of the Properties dialog. Ensure that the appropriate project is selected and open the Properties dialog. Confirm the toolchain version field in the Toolchain tab of the Settings section. If the version you want to use is listed, select it and click Apply and Close. If the version you want to use is not listed, set it in the Renaissance Toolchain Management section of the Preferences dialog. Check the version you want to use in the list and click Apply and Close. If the version you want to use is not in the list, click Download. In the Install New Software dialog, select the version you want to use and click Finish to install. The settings can be viewed in the Toolchain version field on the Toolchain tab of the Properties dialog. After setting up the toolchain, you can build with the compiler version set.